The 2011 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, air conditioning, front, cruise control, anti-theft security system, keyless entry, AM/FM stereo radio, FWD, power door locks, MP3 playback stereo, power windows, side airbag, intermittent wipers, daytime running lamps, daytime running lights, side curtain airbag, emergency trunk release. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.